It's time for our first scatter plot. Very exciting. What we need is an X and a Y value. A scatter plot will take, say, it's not about one row of data, it's about two. So if we look at like the longitude, okay, this can be our X value, and the latitude can be our Y value. And what the plot will do is it'll take each of these individual coordinates, say X is negative 114.31, and Y is 34.119, and it will plot them. Now, a cool thing about plotting longitude and latitude is that it should be a map. And since this is California housing, the hope is that the map will look like the state of California. But let's give it a try. So we put in PLT and then the keyword is scatter. Okay, so we're using, that is the scatter plot function in the matplotlib library. And then we can put a column in for our X value. Let's use longitude. Longitude go up and down. So those are actually the X values, because you think like X equals 5, that's actually a vertical line, like a line of longitude. And then our Y values will be DF latitude. Okay. And then we just want to show it. Okay, so press Shift Enter, see what we get. And the hope is that it will resemble somehow the state of California. And look at that, you can see that it does. Okay, given the ranges of the coordinates, perhaps we could make it more vertical, or maybe it's the parameters that I set, but that does kind of reveal, the shape of California, and I think that's pretty cool.